Hello everyone, welcome to Creative Learn channel. Today we are going to learn about addition of bigger numbers. In the previous video only we have already done about this table, and below the table here some questions given. Now we are going to answer these questions. Okay, see here, first question. Find out the total population of each village and complete the table given above. Okay, here table given now, so we have to complete this table. And here male population given, female population given, male population and female population of each village given. Now we have to find out the total population of each village. Previous video only we have already done these all. Now just have a look at here. First village Chirlavancha. Chirlavancha male population 2595 and female population 2682. Now we have to write the total population. Already we done this all. Just I'm rewriting. Let's have the total male population from 4 villages and total female population from 4 villages. Let's write here total male population from 4 villages. What is the total male population? This one also we done already in the previous video. That is 8129. 8129. Now what is the total female population? Female population of 4 villages. Let's write here total female population from 4 villages, that is 8193. Let's write here 8193. 8193. This is the total female population of 4 villages. Now next, total population of 4 villages. Let's write here what is the total population of 4 villages? That is 16,322. Let's write here 16,322. This is the total population of 4 villages. Total male population 8129, total female population 8193, and total population of 4 villages 16,322. Okay, now first question completed. Now move to the second question. In which villages is the female population less than the male population? By how much? In which villages is the female population less than the male population? Okay, let's see here. Let's see in the table. In which village female population is less than male population? First village Chirlavancha. See here, male population is 2595 and female population 2682. So here female population is greater than the male population. Leave it. Next, second village Taduru. In Taduru village male population is 3135 and female population 3191. Here female population is greater than the male population. Leave it. Next, Pedduru. Male population is 1372 and female population is 1349. So in Pedduru village female population is less than the male population. So write here, in Pedduru village, female population is less than the male population. In Pedduru village, female population is less than the male population. By how much? Let's do the subtraction. What is the male population of Pedduru village? 1372, and female population 1349. Now do the subtraction here. 2 minus 9, not possible. Then take the borrow. It becomes 12 because 10 plus 2, 12. Now 12 minus 9, it is 3. Then here 7, but from this we have taken borrow, so it becomes 6. 6 minus 4, it is 2. Now here 3 minus 3, it's 0. 1 minus 1, it's 0. So what is our answer? 23. It is our answer. So in Pedduru village, female population is 23 members less than the male population. Let's write answer here. 23 is our answer. Next. Next move to the Sarampalli village. In this village, male population is 1027 and female population is 971. So here also female population is less than the male population. By how much? Let's see. First write the Sarampalli village. Sarampalli village. By how much female population is less than the male population? We don't know na. So let's do the subtraction here. 1027. And what is the female population? 971. Now do the subtraction. 7 minus 1, 6. 2 minus 7, not possible. Take the borrow. But in 100 place 0 there. So we have to take the borrow from 1000 place. First 1000 place to 100 place means 1 to 0. It is 10. Now here to here take the borrow. Now it becomes 12 because 10 is borrow and 2 is already there. So it becomes 12. Now 12. Now 12 minus 7, it is 5. Here 10 there, but from this 10 we have already taken borrow, so it becomes 9. 9 minus 9, it's 0. Here 1 there, but from this we have taken borrow, so it becomes 0. So what is our answer? 56 is our answer. So in Sarampalli village, 56 members are less in female compared to male population. Next move to the third question. About how many men are there in all the villages? Encircle the nearest of the following. Okay, from 4 villages total male population we have to find. What is the total male population? Already we wrote here 8129. So now we have to find the 8129, this number. What is the nearest number of 8129? We have to find out this one now. Okay, let's do here. 8129 means, first draw the line. first number 8000 and last number 9000. Between number means middle number 8500. Now 8129 means where should it comes, before 8500 or after 8500? Obviously it will comes before 8500. So let's write here 8129. Now see here 8129. So this number, what is the nearest number of 8129? Is it 8000 or 9000? 9000 is so far. So what is the nearest number of 8129? It is 8000. So write the answer here. Means circle the answer. What is our answer? 8000. Circle here. Next question. About how many women are there in all the villages? Encircle the nearest of the following. So what is the total female population? Here we have already 8193. This is the total female population of 4 villages. Okay. Now we have to identify the nearest number of 8193. Let's do it. Okay. Draw the line first. First number 8000 and the last number 9000. Middle number 8500. 8193 means where should it comes, before 8500 or after 8500? Definitely it comes before 8500. So write here 8193. So here observe clearly 8193. So this number is nearest to 8000 and so far to 9000. So what is the nearest number of 8193? That is 8000. Let's circle it here. $8,000. Circle the answer. Now last question. About how much is the total population of the 4 villages? About how much is the total population of the 4 villages? Encircle the nearest of the following. So here we have already, what is the total population of 4 villages? It is 16,322. 16,322. Now what is the nearest number of 16,322? Let's do it. 16,322. Okay, let's do. Draw the line first. First number, it becomes 16,000 and last number it is 17,000 and middle number 16,500. Now here total population 16,322. Where should it comes, before 16,500 or after 16,500? It will comes before 16,500. So write here 16,322. Now see here, this number is, what is the nearest number of 16,322? See here, it is nearer to 16,000 and far to 17,000. So what is our answer? What is the nearest number of 16,322? It is 16,000. That's 16,000. This is our answer. Okay. All questions are done now. We will meet in the next video with
ఈ వీడియోను వీక్షించినందుకు ధన్యవాదాలు. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. మా తదుపరి వీడియోలను వీక్షించడానికి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ అవర్ వీడియో. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ and subscribe.